Hey RSC, Mika here. I'll be showing you how to put together an easy Hawaiian style poke bowl. First, you'll want some sesame oil, then sweet onion, sliced green onion, toasted sesame seeds, fresh ginger, Yamasa soy sauce, and our secret weapon, a no poke mix. Today, I'm going to be working with our chutoro, a 4-pound piece. I'm just going to be slicing this piece in half, then cutting about inch-wide slabs to be sliced lengthwise, then cubed. And the good thing about using our chutoro is that it can be super messy, like how mine is, and it'll still be that perfect umami poke bowl. Now for the fun part. First, you'll want to prep the ogo, which is a purple Hawaiian seaweed. I'm going to be doing this by putting it in a bowl of water until it rehydrates and then setting it aside. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'm just sprinkling the poke mix over the chutoro and adding in the sweet onion, the green onion, sesame oil, our Yamasa soy sauce, a generous serving of sesame seeds, and some freshly grated ginger. Now, I'm just going to be draining the ogo, roughly chopping it, and adding it to the other ingredients. Then, the final step is just to mix everything together and serve in your favorite bowl.